Let's check in with Bianca from Teaneck, New Jersey, who once believed traditional college was the only path until she found AIM. Her story highlights why trade education matters. Real skills, real confidence, and real jobs. With 21-month training programs and in-house career resources, AIM offers a fast, hands-on route to meaningful careers. Tell us all about it, Bianca. Take it away.
Thanks, Alex. I always thought that earning a traditional college degree was the only path to success. Then I found myself dropping out of college, enrolling in trade school, and eventually working for one of the largest aircraft maintenance operations in the country, more successful than I could have ever imagined. I was always told to go get a degree, so when I left college, I felt like I had completely failed. Then I discovered AIM. With just 21 months of training, I could still graduate around the same time as the rest of my high school class. The program seemed promising, but the problem was I had zero hands-on experience. How was I going to be an aircraft mechanic if I didn't even know how to use tools? But AIM believed in me. And as cheesy as it sounds, that helped me believe in myself. I quickly realized the classes were actually related to real-world work. We broke down aircraft systems and learned real skills. The staff here truly cares about student success and prepares you every step of the way. The career services ladies helped me land my first job, and they supported me from start to finish. And my friends? They made it feel like I wasn't even going to school. The laughs, the late night study sessions, the support, they all became family. So why AIM? Why choose trade school at all? Because it's focused training. Far more affordable than a 4-year degree, the demand is extremely high. And AI is definitely not replacing aircraft mechanics anytime soon. What used to be a backup plan is now one of the most reliable and profitable career paths out there. I can't recommend the trades enough. Go get your airframe and power plant license today. Back to you, Alex.
Bianca, what a transformation. Your leap from feeling uncertain in college to thriving in a national aircraft maintenance operation shows exactly why trade schools matter. With experienced instructors focused on needed skills and with strong career support, AIM's programs truly open doors. Thank you for reminding us how powerful hands-on education can be. Thanks again, Bianca.